problem. Let M is equal to matrix 1 minus 2 and N is equal to matrix 2 1 minus 1 2. They are asking to find first bit. Show that Mn exists. Whether it is exist or not, we have to tell first. After telling whether if it exists, write its order. We have to write the order of matrix. Second bit, find Mn. Mn means M into N, multiplication. Third bit, does Nm exist or not? Here also we have to tell whether it is exist or not. If it's not existing, we have to give the reasons. Reason compulsory. In any season, you have to give reason. Now, solution given. What is the matrix? M is given 1 minus 2. Which order? 1 by 2. 1 row, 2 columns. So, rows by columns. 1 by 2 matrix. And what is N matrix? 2, 1 minus 1, 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 by 2 matrix. The order of N is 2 by 2. The order of M is 1 by 2. They are asking Mn. What is the meaning of Mn? M into N. Multiplication whether exists or not, they are asking. So here you see the first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Is it equal? Here 2 is there, there also 2 is there. So Mn exists because columns of matrix M matrix is equal to rows of N matrix. So Mn exists. This is the way of checking. This is the reason. And the order of Mn is 1 by 2. These two are equal. The order will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 order means what? 1 row and 2 columns will come. So second bit they told to find Mn. M into N. Whether it is possible or not, that is the first reason we have to tell. After that, multiplication. Second point to be remembered. We have to multiply row with column. Keep in mind. So 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1. This is first element. Next, again with second column, 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. This is the second element. So 1, 2 are 2 plus minus into minus plus into plus again plus 2 ones are 2. Next, this is first element completed. Coming to the second element, 1 ones are 1 plus into minus minus 2 twos are 4. Now simplify. 2 plus 2 how much? 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we got Mn matrix as 4 minus 3. So 1 by 2. 1 row, 2 columns. This is the order. Now coming to the third bit. What is the third bit? They told to find Nm. Whether exists or not they are asking. Does not exist. Nm does not exist because columns of matrix N not equal to rows of matrix N. Here the order of N is 2 by 2 matrix. The order of M is 1 by 2. Here see the columns are 2 and here the row is 1. Is 2 equal to 1? Not equal. So Nm is not possible. Fifth problem. Let A is equal to matrix 1 3 2 minus 1 and B matrix 2 1 0 3. Find first bit AB, second bit BA, third bit. Is AB is equal to BA? Question mark. First bit we are doing AB. What is the meaning of AB? A into B. We have to multiply. How to multiply I told you. First we have to check whether the first matrix column is equal to second matrix row or not. Then only it is possible. If these two are not equal, multiplication is not possible. So here possible. How to multiply row with column? First row with first column, first row with second column. So 1 2 is 2 plus 3 zeros are 0. Again 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9. Here second. Next, second row with first column, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 0. Slowly you multiply. 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3. Keep brackets plus symbols. Be careful. 1 2s are 2 plus 3 zeros are 0. 1 1s are 1 plus 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4 plus into minus minus. 1 zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2 plus into minus minus. 1 3 is 3. Now simplify. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 9 is 10. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This is the answer of AB. Second bit, we are going to find BA. First we will write B matrix, then we will write A matrix. Same procedure. We have to check whether possible or not. This also 2 by 2 matrix, that also is 2 by 2 matrix. So here the columns are equal to, first matrix columns are equal to second matrix rows. Here 2 columns are there, here 2 rows are there. Possible. Then only started multiplying. How to multiply? Row with column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. This is first element. Second one. 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Second one completed. Third element. Now with the second row, first column. 0 into 1 plus 3 into 2. This is third element. Fourth one. 0 into 3 plus 3 into minus 1. So be careful. Again and again telling you. Sign, symbols, numbers. Be careful. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 twos are 2. Next 2 threes are 6 plus into minus minus. 1 ones are 1. Next 0 ones are 0 plus 2 threes are 6. Next 0 threes are 0 plus into minus minus. 3 ones are 3. Now simplify. 2 plus 2 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. AB we got as 2, 10, 4 and minus 1. And BA we got as 4, 5, 6. There is no matching. Nowhere no element is matching. So they are asking whether AB equal to BA. Not equal. Yesterday I told you property. Commutative property under multiplication does not exist. Are you able to follow? BA not equal, AB not equal to BA. So commutative law does not exist. Seventh problem. Let A is equal to matrix minus 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 4. And matrix B is 3, minus 2, minus 4, 5. They are asking to find the matrix AB plus BA. So solution given. First we have to find AB. What is the meaning of AB? A into B. For multiplication, two things we have to remember. First thing, first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. So what is the order of first matrix? 2 by 2. Second one also 2 by 2. So first matrix column is equal to second matrix row. Automatic we will get 2 by 2 matrix. Now coming to multiplication, second point, row with the column. Minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4, first element. Next the same row with second column. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 5. Be careful. Now second row with the first column. 3 into 3 plus 4 into minus 4. Next 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 5. So this is the way of multiplying matrices. Row with column. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus into minus minus. 2 4s are 8. Minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Plus is there plus 2 5s 10. 3 3s 9. Plus into minus minus. 4 4s are 16. Next plus into minus minus. 3 2 6. Plus into plus plus only. 4 5 20. Now, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. 2 plus 10, 12. 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Minus 6 plus 20 or 20 minus 6 is 14. This is the answer of AB. Now we are going to find BA. B into A. B into A. Again here also the same thing. B is 2 by 2 matrix and A also 2 by 2 matrix. First point to remember. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. If they are equal only, then multiplication starts. Second point, row with column. 3 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 3. First element completed. Second element, 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4. Second element. Coming to the third one, second row with the first column. Minus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 3. This is the third element. Fourth one, minus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 4. Fourth element. Now multiplication. Plus into minus, minus. 1 3s are 3. Plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. Next second one. 2 3s, 6. Plus into minus, minus. 2 4s, 8. So 6 minus 8. Minus into minus, plus. 4 1s are 4. Plus is there, plus. 5 3s, 15. Minus into plus, minus. 4 2s are 8. So minus 8. Next plus 4 5s are 20. Now simplify. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 4 plus 15, 19. When we add 20 minus 8 is 12. Now they are asking to find AB plus BA. Before adding, we want, let me tell you one property. Is AB is equal to BA? No, it is not at all equal. So commutative law will not work here, does not exist. Now AB one answer we got and BA another answer we got. So it is not commutative property. Multiplication of matrices is not commutative, keep in mind. Now we are adding. For addition of matrix, I told you to remember one thing. Order should be same. What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2. What is the order of that matrix? 2 by 2. Comparable matrices. We have to compare whether both are of same order or not. Then only addition or subtraction possible. If different orders, we can't add or subtract. Keep in mind. Now, first element with the first element. Minus 11 plus of minus 9. Next one. 12 plus of minus 2. Minus 7 plus 19. 14 plus 12. Now, minus 11 plus into minus. Minus 9. Next, 12 as it is plus into minus. Minus 2. 19 minus 7 is 12. 14 plus 12 is 26. Now coming to simplification. Minus 11 minus 9 is minus 20. 12 minus 2 is 10. Here 12, 26. This is the final answer of AB plus BA.